Hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, so we're going to continue with this theme of amplifiers and how energy moves, how how you can put yourself in different places and connect into different currents, batteries, vortexes, and so forth. So this next idea is it's based around a type of sacred geometry of trees. Wherever you have a triangle of trees and you look directly up at where the branches of the trees meet, if there's a gap for the sun to come through, you'll often find that the energy fields of these three trees will meet at that junction point where you can see the sky through the meeting point of the trees, and right below that point there'll be a swirl of energy. Depending on the size of the trees and how strong the energy is within those trees, and the nature of the ground underneath as to how that vortex will move forward and backward and around that space. So we're looking for groups of 3 or 4 trees. You look at the central point, and if you stand underneath and look up from that central point, if the sky is coming through, you'll very often, right at that point, find a vortex. Now, if let's say the sky is not coming through, you'll have the energy there, but it doesn't have this energetic pathway to shoot upwards. So the vortex can't get big, it can't expand, it can't generate momentum and power to use the full toroidal field of the tree. So the tree has a field that does this. Now, if we have 3 trees near each other doing this and there's a gap between, then the energy meets in that gap and it produces an upward funnel. The energy shoots up and funnels out. And then it comes through, and all 3 trees generate a swirling power at that point. If the canopy closes it, the energy comes up and then it can't use the full toroidal field. It'll sort of loop back in itself and it'll smother itself slightly. So where you're looking to see sun through the gap in the canopy, and once you get used to vital breathing energy, you'll notice this pattern. You'll start to see, oh, there's a density of life force over there. I'll go and stand over there and practice. So this is the next type of amplifier to look at, standing on the vortexes created by the geometry, the sacred geometry of trees. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.